My name is Marcus Gariepy and I'm an apprentice lineman 3 at Berkeley Electric Cooperative. I've been at Berkeley Electric Cooperative for about 2.5 years now. A typical day at Berkeley Electric consists of changing out poles and just doing maintenance on our lines, whether it's repairs or new construction. Becoming a lineman isn't your typical 9 to 5. I mean, you're going to have long hours, especially with natural disasters. You're also going to be dirty often, digging in ditches, lots of water, lots of mud. You also have to be physically fit. There's a lot of heavy lifting involved, a lot of climbing up and down poles. You also have to be committed because there's no being inside when the weather's bad. You got to be prepared for everything. After we cut the lights back on after a hurricane or natural disaster period, is everybody cheering, everybody smiling when their lights finally come back on. It gives you just a sense of gratitude, and it feels great to be able to do that for people. Trident Tech does a good job preparing you to become a lineman. They're very hands-on. They teach you a bunch of the materials you'll learn in the field. Instructors are very good about coaching you through things that you might have difficulty with. I would 100% recommend the program to somebody else that's interested. It's a very rewarding field. It's one of those careers you can go anywhere in the world and find. It's one of those things that's never going to go away because somebody's always going to need power, and it's a great way to take care of your family.